Hi, welcome to my channel about embedded systems, fischertechnik and robotics. The focus of this video is obviously my driving robot discovery based on the TXT controller and made with fischertechnik. Last time I focused on the Python software where I introduced user interaction, but in the meantime I also found out that while I have here LEDs to signal that the motors are being activated, I have some more indication to do. Adding LEDs here on the first two digital inputs. These signals are coming from both front sensors. And while I can see in the software and in Robot Pro that they are activated, it's always better to see visually, immediately, here that they are being activated. So that's one other thing to do, adding LEDs. Now, however, back to user interaction. How can I make sure that I can choose from the pictures made with this camera that either red or yellow is being detected? And in order to see if that works out, let's go to the screencast. So this is once again the screencast for the desktop, where you can see three terminals actually. On the controller, these two, where I edit and run the code. Then the interface test for the controller. This is on the laptop where I can view the taken images, and this is obviously the robot. So what I found last time is that I need to put all the red and yellow lines in their respective parts in the if clause. So that is quite some editing to do, and then it may work. Next, the battery levels are down to 8.8 volts, which is quite nice. So before going on, I have to do some editing. I've done the editing, so all red is under the R for red and all yellow is now under Y for yellow. Red in Dutch is rood, R-O-O-D, and yellow is in Dutch geel, G-E-E-L. Anyway, let's run and see if things work out. That means that I have to close this one with as yet healthy battery values. And now I can try to run, and hopefully without too many network errors or refreshing displays or whatever. Who knows? By the way, there are the objects as usual. Alright, let's take yellow. Mask black is not being defined. That is because where is line 68 is right here. Where did I put mask black then? Alright. Only there. Nothing. Okay, so I will have to say that this has to be reversed. If that's the only place, like this. And that would be strange, but let's find out. because mask red is defined here, mask yellow is defined here, so why would mask black be then? And there's a flash. So something in my code is not completely as I expected. Color, once again, yellow. Go forward. Yeah. No, the mask is not defined. So I have to do some improving. However, I have some results here. So let's take the file after the Y, and that should be this one. Which is once again entirely black, while the choice was yellow. Let's run it and choose red instead. See what difference that makes. Network error. Because if red does work, it means that my yellow array is not correct. Choosing red. Alright, that's fine. Choosing this name. And see red. That means that this array has a wrong definition. Wrong values. I have to improve, because otherwise it would have shown yellow earlier. Something to improve. I'm using Darktable once again to determine the values that I have to use, but in order to get proper values I have to look in the code somewhat earlier, and then you see this. I am using an HSV image, however the image that I'm grabbing has BGR, not RGB. So looking in here, I have just RGB, then some other conventions and HSV. So I could do this, but then I have to change the code, and it doesn't have BGR. So whichever I take, I have to take the other values, and then once again the color picker. So this would be 28, 55, 56 and 173. The existing values. So how does that rhyme? I'm not sure at all. And the other program is not functioning, color wheel, so I have to do it with this one. Is it making it any easier? No, it is not. This is trial and error. I went online and found color wheel for HSV values for yellow, filled them in, and this is the result. So it's not working at all. Either I'm making a serious thinking mistake or something else is going wrong. I'm not quite sure yet. So this is it for this attempt. Next time I will go on this and fix the LEDs on the front sensors. So as you've seen, values are not yet correct. For next time, addition of 2 LEDs and further continuation of the color separation. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. And if you don't like, subscribe anyway. Press like and click the bell for notification. This is going to be continued, obviously. And you can support via PayPal, Ko-fi, and by becoming a patron. You can also follow me via Twitter and Instagram. For now, have a great day, stay safe, take care, bye.